All right, sorry I am not here today. The first thing I need you to do is turn on the sound so you can hear what I'm going to tell you to do. Thank you. Now that you can hear me, maybe, I hope, I need you to do page 12 and page 13 in your packet. I'm going to give you a quick little heads up. On number 1 on page 12, it is exactly like number 1, 2, and 3 on page 7 and 8 that we did on Friday. For 2 through 5, I'll need you to solve and figure out what x equals, or what the scale factor is. It's exactly like numbers 4, 5, 6, and 7 from page 8. It's just like 4, 5, 6, and 7. So if you need some examples. And for 6, 7, 8 on page 12, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14, on these, you do them just like page 9, same as page 9. Do not, that says no. Do not solve number 6 through 14. Only write the equations, just like we did, okay? You do not have to solve these. When you are done with this, I need you to go into Delta Math and do the assignment that's on there, 6.2. Thank you.